Hello, everyone. This is Nancy with Lula Bay Girls. I'm making a quick screen video of how to shop our new retail website, shopbaygirls.com. And we've had some questions from people and how to do the checkout process. So I'm going to show you how you would go in if you were coming in through a web browser. You would just type in shopbaygirls.com and it will bring up the website. You would probably be coming in via a link that we saved to Facebook or that you could access through your email, but you can also get in this way by typing in shopbaygirls.com. So this is our homepage for the website, and you'll see there's albums across the top. It only displays 6 at a time. You have to click on Shop All Albums to see everything. There's some information down here. There's normally a paragraph about our shop and some other information. Our contact information is down here. If you don't have one of our business cards, don't know our phone number, it's right across here. You can click on it. You can click here Pinterest or Instagram, and it takes you out to our site. If you haven't shopped with us before, this is your first time, you would click on customer registration. It'll take you to the form that you fill out, and then you would just click on register and you will be in. You don't have to do that again. Right now we have our albums offline because we're getting ready for our big open house grand reopening this weekend. So you would usually see this a little bit differently, but we're going to pretend like it's real. So we're going to click on Shop All Albums, and we're going to go in and pick maybe an album of something that we know that we love to shop for. So I'm going to pick Perfect Tees and just click on that. And it defaults to come up to be for all sizes. You can also click on the down arrows and pick what you normally think that you would wear or your favorite size. I usually wear a medium. I'm going to come in and click on some things I think interesting. I love this. That's beautiful. That just screams that it's me. I do click on the plus arrow. It'll give you a little close up of it. There's some information in here about describes the style. Excuse me. And there's also some coordinating looks on the side here that may or may not go with that item or other Irmas that you might like or other items that you might like. So I'm going to add this to my bag because I want to buy it. And you'll notice that it goes up here and says one item in my bag. And there's a clock right above that that's counting down. It's a 30-minute clock. Basically, when you click an item and claim it, put it in your bag, it will stay there for 30 minutes. It takes it off the website. No one else can see it. It goes into your bag and it stays there until you check out. If you do not check out, it will not stay in your bag after that 30 minutes. It'll be returned back to the website. So that's the part people have been confused on. And I'm going to go back out here and pick another album. I want to grab a pair of leggings, and I usually wear tall and curvy. So I'm going to go down here and find a pair of leggings I really like. Let's see. Oh, love these. So let's click on that. I want to look at it a little closer. Oh yeah, pink, blue, all my good stuff. So I'm going to add that to my bag also. And then over on the side, it also gives me some other things that I might like. Oh, I like those too. So I'm going to add those to my bag. And so now I have 3 things in my bag and I am going to check out. So it will take me to show just briefly what I have in there. I'm going to continue with the checkout process. I'm going to put in my email address and my name. I would tab down and put my name in, go to next. And I'm going to pretend like I am an out-of-town shopper and I want these items shipped to me. So I'm going to click on ship items, which this weekend we have no shipping charges. It's free because of our sale. I would fill in my name, my address, go to next, review the information about my address, my billing address. Is it the same? Are these the things that I have in my cart? Yes, it is. I'll go ahead and put in my credit card information, the date, click on next. This would turn to a dark blue color when I had the information filled in. I would review my order one more time and then I would click checkout. And it would go to a different screen and tell me thank you. That means that you have successfully checked out. An email will be sent to us, and we will know that you purchased these items. It'll show us a photo of them. We will pull them and bag them up and mail them to you. So it's really simple from that standpoint. I'm going to go back out of this to show you what you would do if you are a local shopper and you want to have something when we're announcing a new sale and it's starting at a certain time and the store is not going to be open at that time and you want to hold it. So what you would do is come in here and say you wanted a Carly and you knew exactly what you wanted. Let's pick. I don't know. I'm going to go down here. I want this really cool black Carly with the stars. I'm going to click on it and make sure. Yeah, I really love that. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my bag. And maybe I'll add some other items to my bag. I like that too. So I add that. And I'm ready to check out. So I have 2 items in my bag. You'll notice the clock has started again at 30 minutes. And I'm going to go click over here. I'm going to check out. So I'm going to put my email address in just like I did before, add my name, go to next, and I'm going to say pick up items, which is always going to be free. And it has the address of where you would pick up, what the hours are that you can pick up. And if you need a special appointment, our phone numbers are on here. If you want someone else to pick it up, you would just click off that and then put in their name. And you would just go to right to next. And then you would be back here to the checkout screen. Now you need to go through the checkout screen if you want this item to be on hold for you. So if you're willing to use your credit card and go through and just pay for it and get it over with, you would go through, put in your billing address, your credit card, you would go to next, you would review, and you would check out. And we would get an email, we would pull the item, we would have it stay on the hanger, put a tag on it to hold it for you, and you could come in the store and pick it up after you tried it on or whatever. You've already paid for it and you're good to go. If you don't want to do the credit card process for any reason and check out, then you would need to let us know what it is that you want, either by sending us a personal message or a text or emailing us and telling us either with a photo of this item, a screenshot, however you want to do it. If you can't do any of those things, you could describe to us that you wanted an extra large Carly. It was black and it had white stars on it. Please hold it for me and I will come and pick it up tomorrow. So it's pretty simple also. The part that you need to understand is that because we did not check out and pay for this, officially check out, these items are still in your cart, your shopping bag, but they're now only going to be in there for 27 more minutes. So those are going to go away at the end of that time and they will go back onto the website and someone else can claim them. So it's a little bit confusing. We wanted to clarify that when we're doing a special sale and it's going to be for a limited number of hours, then you probably want to go in if you're local and check it, claim it, pay for it, and it will be here for you. If not, if you don't want to go through the payment process, just call and let us know or send us a message. So I hope that helps. It's not complicated. It's just a little bit, it's got some little bit of quirk to it. So let us know if you have any questions in the comments and we will help you. Thanks so much. We're looking forward to seeing all of you either online or in person this weekend. Bye-bye.